Hey yarn friends, welcome back to LlamaMamaKayla's Yarn Tube. I hope you're all having an awesome day. It's very rainy here today in Louisiana. It has been for a few days, and I think we have about 2 more days of rain in the forecast. So I'm making the best of it, and I'm hanging out inside today, working on some projects and getting a few things filmed and playing with Phoebe. Come here, girl. You know, y'all all know what she wants, so I might as well give it to her, huh? What do you want? What you want? You want a treat? Does Phoebe want a treat? Here you go. Come over here. Sit. Sit up. Sit. Good girl. Now let's... She's already ate it. I'm like, give me another one. Okay, so today's video is about the mystery blanket row 12. And so row 12 has a little bit of newness happening to it. So, you know, so far all the rows have had like a long stretch of turquoise before it gets to any green. This one only has 6 turquoise until it hits green. So it's going to get a little interesting here. Okay, so this is the way the row goes. 6 turquoise, 1 spring green, 1 dark green, 4 spring green, 8 turquoise, 1 citron, 1 spring green, 2 citrons, 1 spring green, 11 citrons, and 4 turquoise. I will leave a link below to that color in the grid. So please double check what I said. Go by the grid. If it's different from what I said, go by the grid, because I easily could have miscounted. But I'm still working on my circles. I haven't put any together to make a row in a couple weeks here now, because I've just been, you know, so many other things happening and going on. But I'm still making circles. And as I had said before, that, you know, my husband advised me not to push so hard to get that completed for the fair this year, to make that a project for the fair next year. Otherwise, I was just going to be working on that. And, you know, and I wanted to put out tutorials and stuff on my channel. And so that takes a lot. And so he was like, you're not going to be able to put out tutorials and work on that blanket and work on other projects. And so I listened to him. And so that's going to be a project for the 2021 fair for me. But I'm still working on my circles to go through, because I surely don't want to rush next year to get it done either. But anyway, this is, if this is your first time to come to this channel and watch this video, this is a work at your own pace mystery blanket loom along. Now, at some point, some people will have enough of the blanket done and show it, and people will know what it's going to be. But as for right now, no one knows what the picture is going to be. It's not anything to do with holiday or religious or anything like that. It's just a fun thing that I think most people will recognize right off, and most people will like. There may be a few people who don't like it, but you know, there's going to be, it's hard to find something that everyone in the world is going to like. But I think for the most part, it's okay. Anyway, I can't wait to get to that part where we can guess what it is and everybody's, you know, figuring it out. It's, you know, going to be a fun picture. Anyway, Phoebe. Oh, Phoebe. She's like, are you talking to me or what? I will leave a link below to our Facebook group. It's LlamaMamaKayla, and you can post your progress over there and see other people's progress. And I appreciate everyone coming over there and posting and sharing their projects. And you can share projects that is not the mystery blanket also, because I want to see what you're working on in your crochet or knitting or looming. I'd love to see what you're working on also. So anyway, that's about it for the Mystery Blanket Loom Alone Row 12. And, you know, if you are new, please just work at your own pace. You're not behind. There's no need to try to catch up or anything like that. This is strictly work at your own pace. And I know I said that several times, but I just want people to be comfortable with working at their own pace. I appreciate you all watching, and we will see you all again very, very soon.